Alright, today me and Paris are going to read a book. It's called
Early Bird on Sesame Street. It was early morning on Sesame Street. The sky was still dark. Everyone was still asleep. Everyone, that is, except Big Bird. Big Bird was wide awake. He sat up in his nest and listened. He got up and looked around. There was no one to play with.
Where is everybody?
Big Bird asked. He began to watch.
I'll walk until I find someone to play with,
he said. Big Bird walked up the street and around the corner. When he came to the bakery, he stopped inside the bakery. The bakers were taking loads of bread out of the oven.
Everyone there is too busy to play,
said Big Bird. So he went on walking. When he came to a fruit and vegetable market, he stopped outside the market. The fruit and vegetables sellers were everyone taking boxes of fruit and vegetables off a truck.
Everyone here is too busy to play too,
said Big Bird, and went on walking.
Big Bird stopped at a firehouse. The firefighters were washing the fire engine.
Everyone here is busy too,
Big Bird said, sighing, so he went on walking. Big Bird came to the police station and stopped. The police officers were standing in a straight line for inspection.
Oh dear, everyone is busy this morning,
said Big Bird, and he went on walking.
Stay tuned for part 2. Bye-bye.